Hi, my name is Wendy Dolan from M Healthy. Thank you for joining me today for your Be Well Mindful Break. Let's get started by closing our eyes or softening our gaze. Taking note of the weight of the breath moving in and out of your body. Now let's practice the RAIN acronym to recognize and embrace our feelings in our body. Simply bring that recognition within as you recognize any emotion that is present in the body. Sadness, happiness, anger, fear. Whatever it is, just letting that emotion be present and allowing the emotion to be there in the mind and in the body. Now investigate how you are feeling about that emotion. There is no judgment. It's that simple investigation. And finally, nurture yourself as an act of self-compassion, allowing time for healing, or perhaps greater freedom. Simply bringing that sense of nurture within. Thank you for joining me today for your Mindful Minute. Have a great day.